everyone, what's up? My name is Nikita and I am the face behind my Instagram and YouTube channel, yours truly and B. I upload all things fashion, beauty, travel, and everything in between, and today I'll be showing you how to make a permanent vinyl decal for your phone using a Cricut.
Let's get right into it. I'm starting off on Cricut Design Space and creating a new project. I'm typing out the words good vibes only, and I'm going to change the font to something called Keep on Truckin'. I downloaded this font from dafont.com and I'll link it in my description for you. I'm just decreasing the space between the lines because I want the text a bit closer together, and I'm going to be playing around with the size of the text here to make sure it fits perfectly on my case. I feel good with the size, so I'm going to go ahead and create the project. And an important step here is to mirror the design. Because I'll be putting the decal on the inside of my phone case, I want the text to be mirrored. Once I'm all done, it'll look like this. I'm just weeding out the vinyl and I'm cutting the extra paper off from the sides. And now we prep the phone case. I got this phone case from Amazon. I'll also link it in my description box for you. And I'm going to go ahead and clean the case with an alcohol wipe just to get rid of any dust or fingerprints. Now that the case is all prepped, I'm putting my transfer tape onto the decal, peeling it off very carefully, and then placing it on the inside of my phone case. And when you're done, this is what the phone case should look like.
That brings us to the end of the video. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them below. You can also check me out on my Instagram page, which is yours truly and B, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!